So now let's build our website, and the first thing we need to do is to decide on the domain name that we want to use. Our domain name is basically our address online. So after finding your domain name, you need to find a hosting service that is going to help you keep your website online. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Bluehost, and Bluehost is one of the most reliable web hosting platforms in the world. So I'm going to put the link to Bluehost in the description of this video, or you can just go to 𝐷noel.com/Bluehost. So this takes you to the Bluehost website where we are going to buy our domain and build this website. So you are going to find an interface like this, and what you need to do is you want to come here and click on Get Started. Before you click on Get Started, this is what Bluehost will offer you. They are going to offer you up to 70% discount if you use the link in the description, and they are going to give you a free domain, a free site security lock, a free CDN, and a 30 days money back guarantee. So this is the starting price, and then this is the regular price. So we just need to click on Get Started to start building our website. So this is where we have to choose our plan, the plan we want to use or the plan we want to purchase. So by default, they put it to recommended because they want you to spend more money, and this is going to depend on what you personally want. I'm assuming that most people who are going to watch this video are going to be beginners, and starting with one website is basically okay for a beginner. But if you don't want to start with that, you can always choose any of the plans here. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose this one because I want to build a live website. I'm going to purchase it, buy it. I'm going to purchase it, and then we are going to build this website together, and I want you to just see how everything works. So this is going to give us 10 gig SSD free domain for the next 1 year. So you just come here and then you click select. So this is where you can now claim your domain. So again, Bluehost offers you a free domain for 1 year, and after 1 year this domain is going to renew at their own price. So if you already have your domain that you purchased somewhere else, you can say you want to use your own domain and you don't want to take their own domain, is still fine. Or if you want to proceed with a free domain they are going to give you, this is where you need to claim your domain. I'm going to be using the free domain they gave me, so I'm going to come here and I'm just going to type the domain that I want to purchase. So I'm going to try to like blur out this domain name because I don't want a lot of persons to see it. So right here, make sure that you choose a .com. It's always good practice to have your website to .com. So if you already have your own name, you can just type it and continue with this. So what happens is that after typing the name, Bluehost are going to provide you with the name servers, and you just have to update it on your own wherever you have your domain hosted, and then you can install the WordPress. Now that I'm going to claim my own is going to be slightly different. So even if you don't want to create any of the domains now, you can just skip it and proceed, but we don't have any reason not to do it now, so we are just going to click next. So Bluehost is going to let me know if the domain I've selected is available or not, and yes, it says it's available. I actually searched for this domain before making this video, so I was sure that it's available. If yours is not available, you might have to tweak it to make it available, or you take the time to find a better domain. So this is where you input your name, your business name, your country, your street address, your city, your state, and all of that. I'm going to blur all this part of the video because I don't want you to see this part of the video. So down here you have to select the plan you want. If you want let's say 36 months, you can select 36 months. These are basically the two offers that Bluehost gives you, just 12 months and 36 months. so you have to make do. So they are going to give you this. You have to confirm that this is the hosting price. This is 2.95 for 12 months. And then if you come down right here, Bluehost, they are going to try to upsell you some things, and they are very sneaky with this. So you just need to uncheck all of this, uncheck everything that you don't need here, because they are trying to sell you things that you don't need. You might need this, but I'm just going to uncheck it because I do not intend to pay for this. So I uncheck it, and then yeah, just say turn it off. So we want to be sure that everything we want is in order, which is just $35.40. So I'm going to go back up here, and then I'm going to fill this detail, and then we are going to continue. So I have added my personal information, and this is where you have to add your payment information, and you can proceed with the payment. So again, I'm going to add my payment information, and then I'm going to blur this part of the video. So as you can see, the payment has been done, and it says right here success. Next, let's create your account. It takes just a few seconds, and this is one good thing about Bluehost. It allows you to do what is called a one-click install. It's not really one click, but it guides you even if you are a beginner. And as you can see right here, you have the chat. You can just reach out to them, but let's just create the account. So after your payment, you need to create an account. So you click on create. So your domain name is going to be your username by default. So you are just going to create a password. So I'm just going to create a password right here. So we now have our password and our account created, and Bluehost is ready to take us on a journey. So you are going to find an interface like this, and if you want to start a site migration, you can start right here, or want to create a website. So you click create website. So they want you to go through the process, but you can just skip this step, and you can basically skip all the other steps. Let's say here we want to say we want to build a blog, and then we want to skip this step, and then we can skip this step. If you do not know what to do, you can actually follow the step. The aim is to help you set up the website without doing a lot. So we already know what to do. That's why I'm skipping the steps. So they equally want us to select a theme from here, but no, we are just going to skip this step 2. And then they are installing the WordPress, and before you know it, our account is going to be ready to go. As you can see, our site is basically ready, and all I have to do is come here and click on log on to WordPress or log into WordPress. It's going to redirect me to the back end of my WordPress website. So basically, we now have our WordPress website online. This is the back end. This is the back end. So far, they are trying to install the SSL, so it's going to take a little while. But from here, we can start our customization of what we want our website to look like. So the basic thing with building an affiliate marketing website is about the content you want to put on this website. So your website is basically determined or defined by the kind of content you put. Either ways, you need to have your websites online. So if you upload physical products or you do e-commerce, your website automatically becomes an e-commerce website. If you want to start a blog, all you have to do is start writing and your website becomes a blog. So for us to start customizing this website, we need to install a plugin that I like, and that is the Astra plugin. So we come to plugins, we come to add new, and then I want to first of all install Astra, or you can just install the starter site that is still Astra. So Astra allows you to use already made templates, and then your website will be easy for you to edit. So I just want to install this plugin, and then I just want to activate this plugin. So after installing Astra, all you have to do is come here where we have appearance, and this is where you can find your themes. You want to come to starter templates, and that's where you find already made themes or free themes that you can use inside of Astra. And Astra is a very popular theme. Astra is a very popular theme in the industry. So they are going to guide you through the building process. So you can just say, I want to build my website. So you just click build website. You want to select, I personally do like Elementor. So I'm just going to say Elementor, although I do not have Elementor installed at the moment, but I'm just going to use Elementor. I'll have to install the plugin later. So from here, you can select any theme that you want. Again, whatever you've decided to do with your website is going to be what your website becomes. So if you want to use this for business, you can find free themes that you can use right here. If you want to use it for a local business, plumbing, personal care, professional, all right, web designer, personal site photography. So we want to fall under the blog because we want to use this basically for our blog, for our affiliate marketing. So we want to say blog, and then let's say we want to say food blog or travel blog. It doesn't matter. We can always fine tune and edit everything to our taste. So if you scroll through, you'll find these are the free themes and these are paid themes. So you just select any one you want. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to pick any random one, and then let me just use this vlogger. So to install this theme, you just click on it. So this is basically a preview of what our website is going to look like, and this is actually super gorgeous. Of course, everything you have right here can be edited and it can be replaced. Right here it wants you to upload your logo if you have that, but we do not have a logo now. We might just do that later. So we just click skip and continue, and then here you can change the default colors. You can change the default colors and then the font style, the font, but we just want to continue with the ones here. So you just click continue, and then it wants you to give your name and blah blah blah. So I'm just going to write my name. So I'm just going to say Loye, and you can put your work email. I don't remember the email I should put here. So let's say I'm an intermediate. I'm building this website for myself and my company. You might just want to agree to receive newsletter. Let's see if we can do this without receiving the newsletter. So yeah, we can. So you don't necessarily need to fill all of that. So Astra is now building your theme, your website, and this is going to become your website once this is done. So it's going to just take some time, and then all of that templates, every of that design will be imported into your own website. That means you automatically have a website in less than 20 minutes. So this is how you basically build a website for affiliate marketing, as a blog, for e-commerce, whatever. All you have to do is just edit. As you can see, our website is ready. Let's view our website and see what it now looks like. So as you can see, this is our website and this looks gorgeous. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is 𝐌𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐞. I'll see you in my next video. Good luck and peace out.